Raquel from EFT, and today we're going to be talking about onboarding and assisting local merchants. So what kind of businesses can participate in your gift card program? This is what an activation card looks like. It's a 10-cent MasterCard that the businesses are going to key into their POS systems. It comes with instructions. What we're doing with these activation cards is we're creating a web of participating businesses so that your gift card can't be used anywhere else. It can't be redeemed at Amazon. It can't be redeemed at the next town over. It can only be redeemed at businesses that have run your activation card. Once businesses run their activation cards, you'll see them in your map. A few things to note about activation cards. The activation cards are for 10 cents, but some POS systems have a $1 minimum. The businesses can run the transaction for $1. It'll get declined, but we'll still get the information we need to process the activation card. Another important thing to note is that activation cards may take up to 24 hours to process. So if a business wants to start accepting gift cards, they won't be able to redeem gift cards immediately after running the activation card. They take up to 24 hours to process. If a business has more than one POS system, like a grocery store, or if they have a physical store and an online store, they need to run activation cards through all of their POS systems. The same thing goes for businesses that have changed their POS systems. If a business has a new system, they need to reach out to you to rerun a new activation card. Can e-commerce sites and online stores join? Yes, they can. But the gift cards do get declined if you charge more than the gift card balance. Since computers and e-commerce sites can't split the bill like humans can, we recommend to have some kind of verbiage at their checkout or at their shopping cart that says, do not charge more than the gift card balance. That way, customers will know that if they're shopping online, they won't be able to split the bill between your gift card and a credit card, and they can't charge more than the gift card balance. Gift cards are designed to be used mostly in-store and over the phone, but e-commerce sites are welcome to participate as well, as long as they keep that in mind. Finally, we always recommend that if businesses are having issues redeeming a gift card, you direct them to support@EFT.com for a quick and accurate response. It's also super important to tell your participating businesses to share your gift card link on their websites, on their social media, and their newsletters, and to tell their customers about it. That's it for the onboarding and assisting local merchants webinar. If you have any questions, feel free to email us. Thanks.